Hey everybody, I'm gonna do a short video here on the financial project for MBA515 here because we're into week 5. I'm doing this Monday night, and normally by now I've gotten lots of questions about the project, and so maybe everybody's all got everything done, or been working on it. So I just want to go in here real quick and we got the course itself. You got your textbook, you got the presentations every week. We've had those Excel exercises to work on, and those exercises, admittedly, those are difficult. Um, as we speak, I'm actually had a couple of discussions already about maybe in the future changing the course up a little bit, where we got less of those exercises, because um, although those exercises teach you some things, the overall project, understanding how managerial accounting works, is more about analysis and understanding. So as you go through each of the chapters and the presentations every week, and again, the assumption is you're spending 10 plus hours reading, and but again, the bottom line is getting to the project. So the actual project here, all right, and I already got this pulled up over here. Alrighty, so what we got here, we got the project, the instructions, um, the requirements, for the paper. You pick a company, a public company. You get their you get their documents up, and their annual 10Ks there, and then in those they always got chairman's letter, management discussion and analysis, financial statements, and also any other accompanying uh, financials. So and here we got a little explanation on what each part is. All right, and then as we scroll down here, again here what it is about. And then the second part, so there's two parts, that first part and the second part, financial analysis. And this is where you're gonna get a spreadsheet. You got your company you picked, and you're gonna compare. So you're gonna make a few columns. I've got oh, let me see here. I got okay, so this is an example of part 2. Now this we can't see because for whatever reason in my file it came up all scrolled, but you're basically comparing different quarters and years. Once you go in here and see how you're going to do it, this is you're going to do your own spreadsheet. All right, and you're doing a comparison. I think I got another one here. Let me see. Whoops. Okay, so here's another one that's a little more visible. So again, there's a different couple ways you can do it. You do your Excel sheet, and then you're going to paste it into the Word document. But so most part, I mean, that's whoops, where'd you go? I mean, so that's how you're going to do that. And that's right here. And again, so you get this is the breakdown of the paper. You got you got your cover sheet. Then your section 1, you have the chairman's letter, the MD&A, and then you have section 2, which is going to have your common size statement, balance sheet, and your income statement. And then you're going to have another page that is basically what did you find out, and the conclusion or recommendations, or what was your analysis of it. So end of the course here. I mean, that's the goal of the course basically is to give you enough basic knowledge to where you know what you're looking at, like doing a side-by-side comparison of like 2018, 2019, and you can see what happened basically. So I'm just doing this because, like I say, normally I've had inquiries by now, and I haven't had any. And this is something you can't do in just an hour or on a Sunday night. So I'm assuming you've been working on it. So anyway, so that was it. Again, if any questions or anything, just get in touch with me. And with that, I will let you go, and that'll do it. So take care, everybody.